In customary law, there are no clear distinctions between delict and crime, and there are no clear-cut definitions between intent and negligence. Consequently, there are no clear distinctions between criminal law and private law sanctions and procedure. Customary law approaches in delictual matters are different from those of common law. It is interesting to note how customary law is applied in respect of delicts committed in a group context. In customary law, the remedy for delicts committed in a group is usually discipline or restoration of the status quo. A claim for compensation is not warranted in respect of delicts. It should also be noted that in customary law, a family head may be held liable for delicts committed by members of his family. The same viewpoint applies even if the family head is a woman. Further, a claim does not prescribe in customary law, although with the passage of time, it may become more difficult to prove the claim. Although defamatory statements such as calling a person a thief or a seducer generally have no legal recourse, a person may successfully claim damages where he or she has been wrongfully accused of witchcraft or of having given a girl a love potion. No claim for damages resulting from bodily injury may arise in customary law. Seduction, that is sexual intercourse by a man with a virgin with her consent, warrants a claim for damages by the girl's father. Remember what we said earlier, the claim for damages may be instituted against the family head of the wrongdoer. In customary law, a husband may institute a claim for damages for an act of adultery committed by his wife with another man. Where an animal damages property, e.g. crops, or kills another person's animal, the owner of that animal becomes liable for damages. Nowadays, compensation for damage is on a form of money. A person who intentionally or negligently causes damage to another person's property is liable for compensation. With the recognition of customary marriages, a widow of a customary marriage can institute an action for loss of support where her husband, a breadwinner, is negligently killed. Disobedience to a traditional leader was dealt with severely. Such disobedience could even lead to the perpetrator being banished from the area or jurisdiction of the traditional authority.